In order to customize your Thrive Theme Builder templates, you want to head over to your Thrive Theme Builder dashboard. This is where you will be able to locate your default templates that Thrive Theme Builder automatically generates for you, as well as any other additional templates that you may decide to create on your own. In order to customize these, all you need to do is open up the template that you want to work on and begin working on it. You can modify pretty much anything that you can think of about your templates, whether you wish to include a top section, a bottom section, how wide you want your content to stretch out, and so on. I think it's worth mentioning that you need to understand the difference between a template and the content inside of the template. What we've done in this video is work on the template that our pages can now make use of. But in order to add content to the template, we now need to create a new page and customize it with Thrive Architect. If I jump over to my pages and I create a new page and open it up with Thrive Architect, you'll see how I now have the option to create a new default page. Now, this default page is going to make use of my default page template, the one that we've just worked on, and it will inherit all of those properties that we've set at the template level. And, if I want to use a different template that isn't my default page template, I can do so really easily by changing the template that the page is making use of. But now that my page has been created and it's making use of the right template, I can begin customizing it with Thrive Architect. And the same exact process applies to blog posts as well.